This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Pi Striker. Beautifully designed, easy flow floor plan and a serene mountain setting are just some of the features that make this single-level Cobb Mountain home a quality residence. The light and airy kitchen opens onto a generously proportioned family dining area, which in turn spills onto a grand covered deck with gorgeous mountain views. Large showcase windows in the front and a variety of skylights foster additional diffuse lighting throughout the home. All 3 bedrooms are discreetly separated from the general living space, enhancing quiet and privacy, while the master suite includes a private balcony perfectly placed for starry night vistas. The fully fenced yard has many different deck levels in the front, perfect for outdoor dining, gardening or just relaxing, and the 2-car garage includes a spacious workshop in the back. This is a wonderful opportunity to live in one of Cobb Mountain's most family-friendly neighborhoods within a 5-minute drive to Cobb Mountain Elementary, the community pool, a beautifully appointed golf course, hiking and biking trails galore in Boggs State Forest, and still within a hourish drive to Santa Rosa. Come enjoy the varied and eviable world of Cobb Nt.